So last class we are discussing about the losses in rotating machines, and there are several type of losses, that is no load loss, mechanical loss, etc., etc. So what is hysteresis loss in DC machines? Considering a two-pole machines, suppose we consider a simple two-pole machines. This is main north pole, this is main south pole, okay, and this is the rotor core iron. This rotor core iron actually consists of millions of molecules. Each molecule contains north and south pole. Suppose we are consider a very small iron piece. Suppose we are considering a very small iron piece A, B. Now under the north pole, all the molecules aligned here as a south north. A side is south, B side is north. So flux entering A and leaving from B. As you know, entering part is south part in this piece, and leaving path is your north. Okay, again I say this rotor iron contain millions of iron piece, small iron piece. Each small iron piece must contain north pole and south pole. Here we consider a small iron piece under the north pole, main north pole. Here this one is A, B. The A side should be south pole and B side should be north pole, as flux enter A side and leaves from B side. After half revolution, the iron piece comes under the influence of south pole. So half revolutions at now, after half revolution at now, this one is your A, this part is your B. Okay, this iron part after half revolutions, what will happen? Flux entering B and leaves from A. So A should be north and B side should be south. Okay. Thus, every half revolution, the magnetism of iron piece is reversed. When this armature rotate, there are continuous magnetic reversal occur in small iron pieces. So magnetic reversal required power. This requirement of power that helps to reverse the magnetic property is nothing but hysteresis losses. Actually, hysteresis loss is directly proportional to the number of magnetic reversal per second or the speed. So very simple, power requirement for the magnetic reversal is nothing but a hysteresis losses. So simply we say that power required for the magnetic reversal of small iron pieces is called hysteresis loss, and it is directly proportional to the number of magnetic reversal per second. Magnetic reversal per second or the speed. Okay, it is directly proportional to the magnetic reversal and speed. Now next is the what is eddy current loss. What is eddy current loss?